उसने सबके सामने मेरी इमेज खराब की। ही ruined my image in front of everyone. He ruined my image in front of everyone. मुझे उसका रवैया अब समझ आ चुका है। I have understood his attitude now. I have understood his attitude now. वो हर बात को ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा बढ़ा देता है। He exaggerates everything unnecessarily. He exaggerates everything unnecessarily. मुझे उसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है। I don't need him. मुझे उसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है। I don't need him. उसने बहुत नीची हरकत की। He did a very low act. उसने बहुत नीची हरकत की। He did a very low act. मुझे उसके शब्दों पर विश्वास नहीं होता। I don't believe his words. I don't believe his words. उसने मेरी खामोशी का फ़ायदा उठाया। He took advantage of my silence. He took advantage of my silence. उसने मेरी उम्मीदें तोड़ दी। He broke my expectations. He broke my expectations. मुझे उसका सच पता चल चुका है। I have known his truth now. I have known his truth now. मुझे उसकी बातों में कोई तर्क नहीं दिखा। I didn't see any logic in his words. I didn't see any logic in his words. वो हर बार अपनी गलती छुपाने की कोशिश करता है। He always tries to hide his mistakes. He always tries to hide his mistakes. अब मैं उससे किसी भी तरह की उम्मीद नहीं रखता। I don't expect anything from him anymore. I don't expect anything from him anymore. मुझे उसकी मुस्कान नकली लगती है। His smile seems fake to me. His smile seems fake to me. अब मैं उसकी बातों से प्रभावित नहीं होता। I am not influenced by his words anymore. I am not influenced by his words anymore. उसने मुझसे झूठ बोला। He lied to me. उसने मुझसे झूठ बोला। He lied to me. मुझे उस पर अब बिल्कुल भरोसा नहीं। I don't trust him at all now. I don't trust him at all now. उसने मेरी खामोशी का गलत मतलब निकाला। He misunderstood my silence. He misunderstood my silence. मुझे उससे कोई सफाई नहीं चाहिए। I don't need any explanation from him. I don't need any explanation from him. उसने मेरी बुरी तरह तौहीन की। He insulted me badly. He insulted me badly. अब मैं हल्का महसूस कर रहा हूँ। I am feeling lighter now. अब मैं हल्का महसूस कर रहा हूँ। I am feeling lighter now. उसने मुझे नज़रअंदाज किया। He ignored me. उसने मुझे नज़रअंदाज किया। He ignored me. मुझे उसकी सोच बहुत सीमित लगती है। His thinking seems very narrow-minded. His thinking seems very narrow-minded. अब वो बात मेरे लिए ख़त्म हो चुकी है। That matter is over for me now. That matter is over for me now. वो हर बार वही बहाना बनाता है। He gives the same excuse every time. He gives the same excuse every time. मुझे उसके साथ बैठना भी अजीब लगता है। Even sitting with him feels awkward to me. Even sitting with him feels awkward to me. वो हर बात में ड्रामा करता है। He creates drama in everything. He creates drama in everything. मुझे उस पर अब बिल्कुल भरोसा नहीं। I don't trust him at all now. I don't trust him at all now. वो हर बार खुद को पीड़ित दिखाता है। He always tries to show himself as a victim. He always tries to show himself as a victim. मुझे उसका व्यवहार बहुत अजीब लगा। His behavior felt very strange to me. His behavior felt very strange to me. वो हर बात में ड्रामा करता है। He creates drama in everything. He creates drama in everything. उसने मेरी सहनशीलता की सीमा पार कर दी. He crossed my limit of patience. He crossed my limit of patience. मुझे खुद को अब साबित करने की ज़रूरत नहीं. I don't need to prove myself anymore. I don't need to prove myself anymore. अब वो मेरे लिए मायने नहीं रखता. He doesn't matter to me anymore. He doesn't matter to me anymore. मुझे इस तरह की बातें बर्दाश्त नहीं. I can't tolerate this kind of talk. I can't tolerate this kind of talk. वो सिर्फ अपने बारे में सोचता है. He only thinks about himself. He only thinks about himself. मुझे उसकी दलीलें कमज़ोर लगी. His argument seemed weak to me. His argument seemed weak to me. उसने बहुत घमंड दिखाया. He showed a lot of arrogance. He showed a lot of arrogance. मुझे बिना वजह किसी को सफाई नहीं देनी. I don't have to justify myself unnecessarily. I don't have to justify myself unnecessarily. उसकी बातें सुनकर सिर दर्द हो गया. Listening to him gave me a headache. Listening to him gave me a headache. मैंने उसे आखिरी मौका दिया था. I gave him the last chance. I gave him the last chance. उसकी बातों में वज़न नहीं था. His words carried no weight. उसकी बातों में वज़न नहीं था. His words carried no weight. मुझे उसका रवैया बनावटी लग रहा है. His attitude seems fake to me. His attitude seems fake to me. उसने मेरी भावनाओं से खेला. He played with my emotions. उसने मेरी भावनाओं से खेला. He played with my emotions. अब मैं उसकी बातों में नहीं आता. I don't fall for his words anymore. I don't fall for his words anymore. अब मुझे चीज़ों से फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. Things don't affect me anymore. Things don't affect me anymore. उसने मेरी बातों का मजाक उड़ाया. He mocked my words. उसने मेरी बातों का मजाक उड़ाया. He mocked my words. उसने मुझे बहुत गलत समझा. He misunderstood me badly. उसने मुझे गलत समझा. He misunderstood me badly. मुझे उस इंसान से बात करने का मन नहीं. I don't feel like talking to that person. I don't feel like talking to that person. अब ये दोस्ती पहले जैसी नहीं रही. This friendship is not the same anymore. This friendship is not the same anymore. मुझे उसकी हरकतें बच्चों जैसी लगती है. His actions seem childish to me. His actions seem childish to me. उसने मेरी इज्जत का ध्यान नहीं रखा. He didn't care about my respect. He didn't care about my respect. मुझे उसकी मौजूदगी भारी लगती है. His presence feels uncomfortable to me. His presence feels uncomfortable to me. अब मैं हर बात पर रिएक्ट नहीं करता. I don't react to everything now. I don't react to everything now. मुझे ये माहौल बहुत भारी लग रहा है. This atmosphere feels very heavy. This atmosphere feels very heavy. उसने बिना पूछे ही फैसला कर लिया. He made a decision without asking. He made a decision without asking. उसकी बातें मेरे दिमाग से नहीं निकल रहीं. I can't get his words out of my mind. I can't get his words out of my mind. वो हर बात में टांग अड़ाता है. He interferes in everything. He interferes in everything. मुझे उससे दूरी बनाना बेहतर लगा. I felt it was better to keep distance from him. I felt it was better to keep distance from him. मुझे उसकी आदतें बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं. I don't like his habits at all. I don't like his habits at all. उसने खुद को बहुत बड़ा समझ लिया है. He thinks too highly of himself. He thinks too highly of himself. उसने मौके का गलत फ़ायदा उठाया. He misused the opportunity. He misused the opportunity. मुझे उसकी बातें खोखली लगती है. His words feel hollow to me. मुझे उसकी बातें खोखली लगती हैं. His words feel hollow to me. मुझे चीज़ों को लेकर ज़्यादा उम्मीद नहीं रहती. I don't keep high expectations about things. I don't keep high expectations about things. अब चीज़ें साफ़ हो चुकी हैं. Things are clear now. अब चीज़ें साफ़ हो चुकी हैं. Things are clear now. वो हर बार वही गलती दोहराता है. He repeats the same mistake every time. He repeats the same mistake every time. मुझे उसकी चाल समझ आ गई है. I have understood his tactics. I have understood his tactics. मुझे ये सब ओवर ड्रामा लग रहा है. All this seems like overacting to me. All this seems like overacting to me. मुझे उसकी बातों में सच्चापन नहीं लगता. I don't find honesty in his words. I don't find honesty in his words. उसने बात को बहुत बढ़ा चढ़ाकर बताया. He exaggerated the matter a lot. He exaggerated the matter a lot. मुझे सब दिख रहा है पर मैं चुप हूँ. I can see everything but I am staying quiet. I can see everything but I am staying quiet. वो हर बार आखिरी वक्त पर पलट जाता है. He backs out at the last moment every time. He backs out at the last moment every time. मुझे इस तरह की नेगेटिव एनर्जी पसंद नहीं. I don't like this kind of negative energy. I don't like this kind of negative energy. उसने अपनी अहमियत खुद खो दी. He lost his own importance. He lost his own importance. मुझे उसकी सफाई बकवास लगी. His explanation seemed nonsense to me. His explanation seemed nonsense to me. अब वो पहले जैसा नहीं रहा. He is not the same anymore. अब वो पहले जैसा नहीं रहा. He is not the same anymore. मुझे इस ड्रामे से दूर ही रखो. Keep me away from this drama. मुझे इस ड्रामे से दूर ही रखो. Keep me away from this drama. उसने बात को हल्के में ले लिया. He took the matter lightly. He took the matter lightly. वो बहुत ज़्यादा चालाक बन रहा है. He is trying to act too smart. He is trying to act too smart. मुझे उसका मजाक उड़ाना पसंद नहीं. I don't like making fun of him. I don't like making fun of him. वो हमेशा खुद को सही साबित करता है. He always tries to justify himself. He always tries to justify himself. उसका जवाब बहुत ठंडा था. His response was very cold. उसका जवाब बहुत ठंडा था. His response was very cold. अब बात मेरे कंट्रोल से बाहर जा रही है. Now things are going out of my control. Now things are going out of my control. मुझे बिना वजह टेंशन नहीं लेनी. I don't want unnecessary stress. I don't want unnecessary stress. ये बात मुझे अंदर तक चुभ गई. This really hurt me deeply. This really hurt me deeply. उसने अपनी औकात दिखा दी. He showed his true colors. उसने अपनी औकात दिखा दी. He showed his true colors. मुझे पहले से ही अंदाज़ा था. I had a feeling about it already. I had a feeling about it already. उसने बात घुमा दी. He twisted the conversation. उसने बात घुमा दी. He twisted the conversation. मुझे इस झंझट में नहीं पड़ना. I don't want to get into this mess. I don't want to get into this mess. अब उसे समझाना बेकार है. It's pointless to explain things to him now. It's pointless to explain things to him now.